How to normalize a NumPy array to a unit vector. I would like to convert a NumPy array to a unit vector. More specifically, I am looking for an equivalent version of this normalization function. This function handles the situation where vector v has the norm value of 0. Is there any similar functions provided in scikitlearn or NumPy?
If you're using scikitlearn, you can use scikitlearn.preprocessing.normalize. I agree that it would be nice if such a function were part of the included libraries. But it isn't, as far as I know. So here is a version for arbitrary axes that gives optimal performance.
This might also work for you, but fails when v has length 0. In that case, introducing a small constant to prevent the zero division solves this. As proposed in the comments, one could also use
To avoid zero division, I use EPS, but that's maybe not great.
If you want to continue, please consider subscribing.